Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories of Motorola Moto G75. Here's the Motorola Moto G75 and open it. Then you can see the phone, which comes in a case, in a clear case. Then you can open it further. Then there are some documentations, a SIM card tray opener, and a charging cable. In my European version it doesn't come with a charging brick, but in some versions it does come with a brick, and you can see that it's marked that this version doesn't come with a charging brick in it, but it depends on your country, so it may come or not. And these are all of the accessories within the box of Motorola Moto G75. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.